Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing old LJN toys from the 80s Wrestlers series. Alright, here we have Joe the Animal. He's got lots of hair. What Emma said, she said he looks hideous, right?
Wait.
Huh? Yeah. She was showing me something on her Switch. She's looking at her pictures. Anyways, Joe the Animal is a weird looking guy. I don't know like what he looks like in real life, but he's really hairy. Big John Studd, oh yeah. He's pretty big, yeah, and he's got those original stars, and he's got really long hair. Not that, but long for a boy. Andre the Giant. Whoa. He's looking good with his original long hair before he started in WWE or WWF. He's got the blue trunks, a little scruffing. He's one of the goodest conditions I have. Jesse the Ventura. I don't know how to say his name, but it's not Hulk Hogan. He looks like him, but yeah. Mean the Gene, the Oakland, oh yeah. You can talk, Emma. You're being quiet. Mean Gene of the Oakland. More of these. These are the thumb wrestlers, small little guys. Delete. Piper, it's just me.
Shut up.
With the thumb figures line, this is Hulk Hogan. Why are the dogs barking?
I don't know. I'm going to go see.
Maybe it is a four-wheeler. I don't know. Well, anyways, this is Hulk Hogan. They're the thumb wrestlers. They have a big hole in their back, so you would put them. Come on, Emma. Let's have a thumb wrestle. After I show them all. Me and Emma's gonna have a thumb war with these in a minute.
Okay, then I'm going back to my camera.
In a minute. But anyways, this is Hulk Hogan. He's pretty cool looking. Definitely one of my favorites. Big John Studd again, and he has a thumb wrestler apparently, just like the bigger one. They were made by LG, and they're just like little smaller scales. Yeah, why'd you take so many pictures? He's got the hole in the back, just like them all, and yeah, he just looks like the big one. But there's a little facial different, definitely. The Iron, oh no, why did I do that? Anyway, the Iron Sheik, he's got like these different shoes on, these purple pants, this says Iron, he's got the iconic mustache, he's got the hole, like all these are gonna have the holes, so, I don't know why I'm showing him, and he's really cool looking, so. Rowdy Piper. So yeah, he's definitely one of my favorites that I have here. I'll show you one of my next favorites. I have a few favorites. I play with these all the time. And he's got the whole, just gonna let you. He's got the blue, red. That's red. The red boots, the red knee pads, the red tights, and the white. He has a white shirt on, and it says Hot Rod. Yeah, got a good looking face. What are they barking at, bro? I am. No, not. Maybe not. Mama's pulling up. There's there's a helicopter before there or something. Well, anyways, this is Junkyard Dog. He's definitely not in good condition. He's got scrush all over him. He's very good looking. He's got the hole in the back. He's got the white boots, and the red knee pads, and the red tights. He's one of my favorites, definitely, out of these. Mr. Wonderful. Definitely good looking. No scratches on him whatsoever. He's got the hole in the back, the red boots, the red knee pads, and the red tights, and he's really buff in this. And he's got his hair, longish, kind of shortish hair, and yeah. So Hillbilly Jim, oh yeah, Hillbilly Jim is definitely one of my favorites out of these. He's got the hole in the back, a pretty big hole. I could not fit my finger in there without it falling off. And he's got the long legs. I mean, see, look at Hulk Hogan. Look how long those are skinny. I don't know what about the legs. They just look so different. And he's definitely taller. Well, actually, the same size because he's shrunk down. But he would be taller. And also, I forgot to do the Scorpion John stuff, but yeah, he's pretty big too. So, like a little bigger than Hulk Hogan. So, at least they got a little bit of good size on that. Then we have 2 more official ones. Wait, a few more official ones. 3 more. I don't know why. I don't know if these are official or not. Someone put that in the comments below, please, because these are official. I know who they are. I know him. I've seen him somewhere, but I have 2 of these, and I guess the owner of these, my dad gave these to me. He bought them from another guy. I guess the kid, like, when he had these, scuffed this one up and was like, hey, I need a new one, then got this one. But I don't know these guys' name. I can't think of it right now. But yeah, they got the big old hole in here. Yeah, no one cares about that one. Red boots, red tights. You can't see it good. Red knee pads, and yeah. Yeah, that was it. I don't know why I said 3. But yeah, these are like knockoffs or something. But this is looking like Vader. These are knockoffs or something. Like I cannot find them anywhere, like on research or anything. I did a lot of research on these. They came in 2 packs and 2 packs only. And these are like the only wrestlers that I've recognized from the 80s. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is somehow trying to be Vader. I mean, looks like he got the bald head, pretty big. And then the Death Star in red. Yeah, he doesn't even have tights on, man. Look, it's just like a onesie type thing. He doesn't have knee pads and white boots. This guy, my mom calls him Crazy Eyes. He has these big old eyes too. Really strong looking. See what I mean by knockoff? Look. This is so weird looking. Like, I don't even recognize this guy. And the white boots, blue knee pads, and purple tights. I don't know if you can see that, but I think those are purple. Giant Machine. I'm trying to guess these, like, by the knockoff. I don't know if these are knockoffs, so like I said, someone let me know. I don't know for sure if this is a knockoff. But anyway, this is Andre the Giant in the Giant Machine mask. Yeah, he's got the red boots, no knee pads, and he's got these arm braces and a mask, and his one strap overshirt. Also, he gave me these weird looking things. I can guess this is for the Ravishing Rick. Like, look how bad these are. Like, these have to be knockoffs, because this is just this one, but painted blue, like red hair, red boots, yellow knee pads, and blue tights, red hair, red mustache, yellow tights, white knee pads, and blue boots. And then whoever the heck this is, he's got this like bushy looking hair, with white tights, blue knee pad, and yellow boots. And those are it for the LJN. Moving into these Ric Flair. These are plastic ones, weird looking. So this is Ric Flair. He came with a coat. I took it off and put it on my modern day figures. These guys, they have to be a tag team or something, because they are wearing the same clothes and got the same jacket. So yeah, they're pretty big. So I'm having to do that with them. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. I'm guessing this might be a knockoff one. Yeah, I'm trying to rush through this because I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, so yeah, and these are all like coats. Someone I know, I have two more I know. Mr. Wonderful with his red coat. Hacksaw Jim Duggan with his oversuit. You can take it off. This guy, I don't even know who he is. And yeah, you ready for the thumb war? That's Jake. Alright.
I found that my camera.
Alright, Emma. So choose yours. You put your hand on this side, I put mine on this side. I don't know, that's a knockoff. Emma's looking at him like, who the heck are these?
That's a weird guy.
Yeah. That's Hulk Hogan, Emma. That's a weird guy. That's Hulk Hogan.
Okay, maybe.
I hate using this hand.
I hate using this hand.
I know, this is my left hand.
I can do my left hand. Hey! Put your left hand back.
Ding, ding, ding. She's got the better hand on me. Okay, Emma won that.
I can write with my left hand.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this video with me and looking at my LJN big ones, the dumb wrestlers, and these plastic guys. So thank you for watching the video. That's supposed to be Hulk Hogan. I showed them. And this weird guy looks like Hulk Hogan. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe. Go follow me on TikTok at Jacob_2001. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.